automated casting wheel ensures every bar is identical.
In a world of finite resources, the journey of copper never truly ends. Welcome to the heart of modern alchemy, where waste becomes wealth. This is the story of transformation.
Tons of discarded wire arrive daily from construction sites and demolition projects.
What looks like chaos is actually the raw ingredient for purity.
Moving the load to intake now.
From high voltage cables to household electronics, every strand counts.
Checking for steel content.
The journey to purification begins on the intake line.
Magnets ensure no iron enters the shredder. The material ascends to the primary granulator.
Feed rate optimal. Engaging primary rotors.
These hardened steel blades exert immense pressure. Instantly, complex cables are reduced to fragments. The first cut breaks the structural integrity of the cables.
Next, the granulator refines the material into sand-sized particles.
Copper and plastic are now liberated from each other.
Air currents whisk away the lighter dust and insulation.
Vibration and gravity complete the separation process.
Plastic to the left, pure copper to the right.
The plastic is collected for its own recycling stream.
What remains is 99% pure copper chops, ready for the furnace.
Clean. No insulation residue. Bagged and weighed, the copper is prepared for melting.
We now move to the foundry, where heat completes the transformation.
The induction furnace awaits, operating at over 1,000 degrees Celsius.
Opening hatch for charging.
The solid granules surrender to the heat instantly.
Induction currents stir the molten bath, ensuring uniformity. Induction currents stir the molten bath, ensuring uniformity.
Temperature stable. Ready to pour.
A river of liquid copper flows to the casting wheel.
Automated casting wheel ensures every bar is identical.
Precision pouring creates the classic ingot shape.
Rapid cooling locks in the crystalline structure.
As heat dissipates, the metal solidifies.
rough bar is born, solid and heavy.
A final quench brings it to handling temperature.
Emerging from the steam, the clean and cool bar is now ready for the precise finishing stages of production.
Skilled hands verify the density and surface consistency, ensuring the rough casting meets strict industrial standards.
Precision milling strips away the rough exterior, revealing the true, brilliant copper hiding beneath the oxidation. High-speed polishing brings out the signature luster, creating a mirror finish on the high-purity copper.
Laser etching permanently certifies the purity and origin, branding each bar with its unique identity.
Final quality control ensures perfection, as technicians inspect every surface for the slightest imperfection or defect.
Ready for the global market, these gleaming bars represent the absolute pinnacle of the recycling process.
Advanced scientific instruments confirm what the eye suggests, verifying the absolute purity of the refined metal.
Automated vacuum lifters stack the bars efficiently, preparing the finished product for global distribution and use.
Secured and sealed in protective plastic, the pallet is now ready to complete its manufacturing cycle. The product leaves the facility, returning to the economy to power our lives and infrastructure once again. We remember the journey, starting from the forgotten chaos of waste wire and discarded cables. Through the intense heat of the purifying fire, the material was transformed and cleansed of impurities.
Finally, emerging as refined perfection, ready to serve a new purpose in the modern world.
This monumental transformation from scrap to treasure is truly the art and science of modern recycling.
The machinery continues its endless cycle, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come.
Environmental responsibility is paramount, as even the water used in the process is recycled and purified.
Advanced filtration systems ensure the air remains clean, capturing dust and maintaining a safe working environment.
Regular maintenance ensures the massive shredder operates at peak efficiency, preventing costly downtime in the recycling process.
Rigorous tensile strength testing confirms the physical integrity of the recycled metal for industrial applications.
Heavy infrastructure supports the foundry, moving massive components with precision to ensure continuous operation.
Massive electrical currents are precisely controlled to generate the intense heat required for melting copper.
Cooling towers dissipate excess heat, maintaining the thermal balance of the melting and casting systems.
Looks correct. Here's your copy. Have a good afternoon.
Thanks, you too.
Meticulous housekeeping ensures safety and maximizes yield, recovering every possible gram of valuable copper dust. Even complex data cables with heavy insulation are processed efficiently to recover the fine copper strands within. Sound dampening technology protects workers from hazardous noise levels, creating a safer and more sustainable workplace.
Continuous logistics support keeps the fleet moving, ensuring that material transport never stops during the shift.
Advanced automation systems coordinate every machine in the plant, optimizing efficiency and monitoring performance in real time.
Vertical transport systems efficiently move the granulated material between the different levels of the processing plant.
Byproducts like slag are carefully managed and cooled before being safely disposed of or repurposed. Environmental monitoring is constant, with safety systems in place to track conditions around the facility perimeter.
Microscopic analysis reveals a consistent grain structure, proving the recycled copper matches the quality of virgin material.
The dedication of the workforce is the true engine of the facility, operating 24/7 to recycle resources.
Worn by the wheels of industry, this symbol represents a lasting commitment to sustainability and resource recovery. Safety mechanisms stand ready at every stage, granting operators immediate control over the immense power of the machinery.
Advanced dust extraction ensures a contaminant-free product, delivering only the highest quality copper to the foundry.
As the sun sets, the facility continues its work, a beacon of productivity that never truly sleeps. Precise stacking ensures stability during transport, protecting the valuable cargo on its journey to the customer.
Active safety systems and clear communication protocols prevent accidents in the dynamic environment of the shipping dock.
Secure perimeters protect the valuable inventory and machinery, separating the industrial zone from the surrounding community.
The journey continues as the copper travels to manufacturers, ready to become the technology of tomorrow. As the day ends, the cycle of recycling stands as a testament to sustainable industrial innovation.
While the machines may run on, the people who guide them take their rest, ready for another day.
Constant vigilance protects the integrity of the operation, safeguarding the resources that power our circular economy.
A symbol of commitment, flying high above the facility, representing our dedication to a greener future. Labeled, verified, and ready for dispatch, each unit represents a successful journey through the recycling process. The quiet hum of energy infrastructure speaks to the potential power waiting to be unleashed for tomorrow's production. Copper remains one of the few materials that is truly 100% recyclable.